Hi everyone, my name is Jean Fruth. I'm a visual storyteller, a sports photographer, and a Sony Artisan of Imagery. Today I'm here shooting a baseball game, and I'd like to share with you 5 tips on live sports photography. Tip number 1, let's talk autofocus. Take the time to learn what autofocus works best for the sport you are shooting. I shoot with the Sony A1, and for many sports, I'll set my camera to expanded tracking with eye detection. The real-time autofocus locks on my subject's eye or face, tracking the athlete. I'm letting my camera do its job, so I'm free to do my job, create, frame, and compose the shot, and be ready to capture the athlete at his or her peak moment. Tip number 2, chase the light. Maybe you have a 4 p.m. start like I'm lucky enough to have today. If you have the freedom to decide what pictures you're going to make, don't waste the beautiful light. What does it look like backlit? Change up your scale, shoot wide, shoot tight, find the shadows. If you have pretty light, stop down your exposure in your camera and turn ordinary images into extraordinary. Tip number 3, give yourself the best chance to succeed. Put away your cell phone and avoid all distractions. Sports photography is partly luck depending on your location and where the action happens, if it happens. But when it happens and you do get lucky, try not to miss. Tip number 4, if you do miss, and we all miss, don't dwell on your mistake. Looking at the back of your camera at the images you didn't get and stressing is only going to increase your chances of missing the next shot. It's the mental part of your photography game. Tell yourself that there's more time in this game and you're just going to get the next one. Tip number 5, celebration. Formulate your plan as the game unfolds and decide what position are you going to be in, what lens are you going to use, and who is going to celebrate. Is there a key player in the game story? Real emotion, raw emotion happens quick. A leap, a roar, tears of joy, or maybe tears of sorrow. Have your plan and be ready. This is Jean Fruth. Thanks for listening to 5 tips on live sports photography. If you have any questions or you want to follow me, I'm on Jean Fruth Images.